So I have already created my layer, and now just select the text tool and now left click and now type your text. So Control A to select all text, and now I will make my text bold, and here I will change the size to, let's say, 400. Press enter, select the alignment tool, and now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. Make sure the align is relative to the image. And now if you want, for example, to change the kerning, so I left click with the text tool inside my text layer, select all text, and now if I hover over this part here, change kerning of selected text, this one is for the kerning, and this one is for the baseline, change baseline of selected text, so this one is for the spacing between the lines. So now I'm going to change the kerning, so I am just going to select, so here it is. As you can see, it increases, so I'm just going to double click, type 0, and now for example I can also change individual letters. So for example, between here and here I selected only the E letter, and now let's change here, so here it is. So as you can see, it will increase the kerning to the left, so let's double click 0. If I type the X here and then increase the kerning, so here it is. Now double click 0, press 0 and then press enter to make the kerning normal. And now let's test the baseline. So for the baseline I'm going to change the font size, so double click to select, double click here, let's type 200, press enter, and now left click here, press enter, and now I'm going to type my text. And now this time here I'm going to select all the text, and now let's change here the baseline. You can either write it here or just press the plus. So here it doesn't do anything because the text is quite big, it's 200, so maybe it will start moving, so here until it reaches around 70 or 80. So here it is, let's type 0. So you can also, for example, use it kind of for individual lines here. So let's say, for example, I will select only the T, and then here select the text under, and then let's increase the baseline. So here it is, as you can see, it increases the space between the T and the text only, so it will just move down all the other letters. So now let's type 0. I'm going to increase a little bit the kerning, so here even for the kerning it works the same. So for example, here the T is moving, and this one here, the second text, since I selected it all, it's all moving. So now Control A,